Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp status. To know how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp status, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. Here you will enter. And when you will see this page, you will go to for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.